The Heat Hog portable propane heater is a reliable companion during cold months, providing efficient heat in a compact and convenient package. To ensure that your heater remains in top-notch condition and continues to function flawlessly, regular maintenance and proper storage is essential. In this guide, we'll delve into the key aspects of maintaining your Heat Hog portable propane heater. Proper cleaning is crucial for the optimal performance of your portable propane heater. Especially at the beginning of the season, regularly remove dust, dirt, and debris from the heater's exterior and vents. This prevents the buildup of grime that can hinder the heater's efficiency and potentially become a fire hazard. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently wipe down the surfaces, and always ensure that the heater is turned off and disconnected from the propane source before cleaning. Inspect the hoses and connections for any signs of wear, cracks, or damage. Damaged hoses can lead to gas leaks, which pose a serious safety risk. If you notice any issues with the hoses or connections, it's imperative to address them promptly. Replace damaged parts with genuine Heat Hog replacement parts to ensure a secure and reliable connection. The ignition system is a crucial component of your portable propane heater. Test the ignition system before each use to ensure that it's functioning correctly. Be sure your propane bottle or tank has fuel in it. If using a 20-pound tank, be sure the valve on the propane tank is open. Make sure to hold down the control valve for 30 seconds prior to ignition to allow the gas supply to reach the pilot and purge air. If you encounter any issues with ignition, refer to your instruction manual. In case the problem persists, contact Heat Hog's customer support at the number found on the website. Proper storage prevents rust and corrosion, prolonging the heater's lifespan. If you're transporting the heater, ensure that it's turned off, the propane cylinder is disconnected, and any loose components are securely fastened to prevent damage. When not in use, store your portable propane heater in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, preferably in a Heat Hog CarryAll and storage bag. When the temperatures drop, Heat Hog rises as your unwavering companion, delivering warmth that's unmatched. Embrace the heat, embrace the comfort, and choose the Heat Hog for a portable propane heater like no other.